Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am really excited because I found BTS albums at Walmart. They are not Walmart exclusive, so all of the photo cards that are in here, because you get OT7 sets, are actually the same as Weverse. Let's get into these. This is the Living Legend. This is rooted in Korea, and this is rooted in Korea. This is rooted in music. It says it right here. But let's get into this. I'm going to start off with this one first. So here is the outer package. So it says rooted in Korea and it has the album name on it. I really like this. I like that their names are on it. And then all of the songs. I love all of these. I don't think I'll know a favorite for a while because it just came out. It's not even like 24 hours old. And also when you open it up, it has their names on this side. This is the envelope. It will have like the CD, the photo cards and everything in it. Like a little button page. I'm gonna try to put this in a scrapbook. I don't know, or maybe in my binder. I'm not sure. Here is the photo book. Okay. I think that shows you everything that's in it. Here is the photo book. Ooh. Oh my god. I looked at all these earlier. Well, not all of it, but I looked at most of it because I was showing it to my sister and her friend. Oh my gosh. Namjoon. Jin. Dead. Like, what is that hair? Sugar. And then I saw that he cut his hair. They did a live after the album came out and he cut his hair. Still looks really good. This photo is my favorite photo of Sugar. I swear. I lied. This one, I don't know. I like them all. Sugar. Sugar. Sugar, what are you doing? I got J-Hope. He looks good. They all look phenomenal. I cannot wait. Netflix has their concert at 7 a.m. I'm hoping to have this video up before that. But if it doesn't, oh my gosh. I have a secret to tell you guys. Jimin. Jimin has taken the spotlight in my life. I don't know what happened. I don't know when this happened. I don't know how it happened. I think he's my alt. I don't know. I haven't been in K-pop that long, so when I picked an alt, I feel like I didn't give enough of my K-pop members a chance. Oh my gosh. I can't. I can't handle. What in the world? V. Taeyong. He's flexing. Okay, he put his jacket back on. We're safe. We're safe. Jungkook. Oh, some of that tattoo is showing. Wow. Wow. They all look so good. Okay, here are the lyrics. If you have any of the books, read the lyrics of the songs because they're insane. Okay, they are feeding our Delulu. They all look so good. Rest of the lyrics. Okay, so in here, which I'm going to try to figure out how to save that sticker. Oh. Oh, I like that. Has the names of the songs. I did not look at this. Oh. I think I want to rip these apart and put them in a scrapbook. These are the photo cards. It's an OT7 set, so this comes in even the Weverse one. And they are very flimsy. Like, I don't know what they did here, but they're like, yeah. Anyway. Jungkook. That's not my camera. It is like an orange photo card. Jimin. And this does not really look like Jimin. I don't know if he just has on so much makeup or if it's the lighting. I don't know. This really doesn't look like Jimin. J-Hope. They look airbrushed. Oh. This one of Suga. Oh my god. Jin! He's so cute. And then RM. This one, like, sassy RM. Like, yes. Sassy Namjoon. Now we have Rooted in Music. This is what the outside looks like. And then it kind of opens up similar to the other one. Oh, I didn't even notice this. Okay, so those are the lyrics. They're in this side. And then this side has like the CD and it has their pictures. I want to get it out, but I don't want to scratch it because I'm selling it. I don't think I'm going to take it out. I'll just show you up close. Here's the photo book. It's really cool. Like, it's 2 rings. Yeah, I like this. Okay, it was a little pixelated, I think, because like iPhone camera, when you, I don't know, it's just really weird. I don't really like the iPhone camera. I want to zoom in. Okay, this is the best I can do. Oh my god. Jin. Oh. Suga with that guitar. J-Hope. Why are you touching the mic like that? Jimin. I love when he wears ripped shirts. It's probably one of my favorite things. V. These men. I think these are like just little messages or like telling us like what they did. I mean, some of it's in Korean. He could have sharpened his pencil. LA, that's all I know. I know they said that they went to LA. V. So I think the next one I show you is probably my favorite one. I really like this one. I like how it captured all the pictures. Kind of looks like a behind the scenes, but also you know that they post. Oh my gosh. Oh, I wish we got pictures like this in the album. Like little Polaroids. I would much rather, for like photo cards, have candid photos. That's why I really love Lomos. Like Lomos, they capture some amazing moments. And I'm like, yeah, I need that in a photo card. Yup, I need that in my binder. I need to hang that one from my purse. Oh, here's all the credits. I like that. So here is RM. Here's Jin. Suga. J-Hope. Jimin. V. Jungkook. These photo cards are stiffer. Jungkook. V. Now that looks like Jimin. The other one, I swear, did not look like Jimin. J-Hope. Oh my god. He's so adorable. Jin. RM. Okay, this is my favorite one. Here's the outside. So it opens there. Here's the back. It says BTS. Ooh. The songs. The album name. And then here's all of the stuff. And then there's, I think, like the same little messages. Here's the CD, I think. I don't think I even opened this. What is this? Oh, here's the CD. Oh, I like that. I want to display this. And then the lyrics. Here's all the goodies, but I'm gonna wait because let's get into this book. So it comes with a strap to keep everything together. But I can't zoom out on my phone because then it makes it all pixelated. So I'm gonna try my hardest here. This is the photo book, but it's wrapped in a giant poster that I want to show you. Okay, I just took the time to hang the poster up where I wanted it so you guys can actually see it. So here is the photo book. It might be out of order because I went a little crazy today when I was trying to show this to my sister. Yeah, this is so out of order. But that's okay. I'll just show it to you anyway. Now let me fix it. We'll start it from here. So here's a group one. And this is what it looks like on the back. RN. Oh, he looks so good. I know it's supposed to be like a book, but this is like the easiest way I can show you everything. Jimin. Look at his hands. That's all I have to say. Oh, I just saw V. V, what are you doing? Oh my gosh. Jungkook. Oh, look at his smile. Okay, so this is where it gets into full posters. I had to adjust a little bit. Jin. Okay, I didn't realize. I don't think I had looked at this thoroughly. Shala. Oh my gosh, J-Hope. Oh my gosh. Jimin. Look at his boots. Look at his boots. I'm done. Oh my god. V. What are you doing? Why are you flexing? Stop it. Jungkook. Another group photo. So these are the posters coming up that I swear I was going to pass out seeing some of these. Look at them. Look at him. Oh, J-Hope. Oh my gosh. Jin. He ghosted us for so long, and he's finally here. He has no business doing that. Oh my gosh. This of Jimin. Oh my god. I saw it earlier, but I honestly forgot what half of these look like. Oh my gosh. So that is the Living Legend book. I highly recommend this one if you want individual posters of your bias, or if you want to hang the entire group up. Like, I highly recommend the Living Legend one. Here is the envelope. Here are stickers. So they have like these punch out things. I don't know how I'm going to display these. I don't know if I want to take them out. B. Jimin. J-Hope. He is in his era. J-Hope. He's loving this. He is happy. They're all happy. Shola. Jin. He looks like a Barbie. Like a Ken doll. Like he's ready to get packaged up. RM. Okay. Jungkook. Aww. Jimin. Oh, I like this one a whole B. Oh my god. I love that one. Oh my god, Jin. And then RM. Okay, thank you all so much for watching today's video. Again, I highly recommend this one if you want more posters. Yeah, and this is the only one too that comes with stickers. The other ones don't. So anyway, thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon in my next one. Bye!